you?
Yeah, we support Palestine.
Palestine good?
Palestine very good. I support Palestine.
Singapore.
West Ham.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, you are a fan of West Ham. West
Yeah.
London, West London.
East London.
East London. Oh
Yeah.
East London. I am the fan of Chelsea, West London.
Oh man, Chelsea shit, man.
Waduh, shit because the Abramovich is gone, you know.
Chelsea. Chelsea.
Oh, ada
not
Chelsea. You live? Where do you live? You?
Leicester.
Leicester. Oh, why don't you support Leicester City?
Because I'm West Ham before I moved to UK.
Oh, where are you originally? Huh?
Albania.
Oh, Albania. Oh, Albania. There are so many Muslim there, Albania.
Yes, yes.
What's your name, brother?
Alex, man. What's yours?
Oh, Alex. Koyo Cabe. My name is Koyo Cabe.
Koyo Chabe.
Koyo Cabe.
Koyo.
Wih, Koyo bener bang. Aduh, West Ham not good, West Ham. Why don't you support big club gitu? Manchester United itu.
No.
Wah.
Because West Ham good fans.
Good
Strong fans.
Good fans.
Yeah.
Very fanatic. Ya bang. Aduh, si abang lah di Inggris. How is COVID in Inggris?
It's good now, no problem.
No problem ya. Udah bagus
Okay,
ya. Have you been vaccinated? Hah?
Yeah, I'm vaccinated.
Oh, bagus dah. 2 times. Hah?
Yeah.
3.
Yeah.
Wah, you get booster dong. Israel.
No, Palestine.
Oh, you are Palestine. I support Palestine. Free Palestine. Waduh. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum, bro.
I love you.
Iya, I am from Indonesia, bro. Yeah, we support Palestine.
Palestine good?
Palestine very good. I support Palestine. Fuck Israel.
Good.
All the Muslim from Indonesia support Israel.
Tolol banget.
Israel support Palestine.
No, Israel.
No, Israel no. Israel is very bad.
Thank you.
Israel is motherfucker. Gue salah lagi ya, udah mau. Ada ngomong banyak. Allah David.
Singapur.
Piękna.
Покажи мне пожалуйста.
Just only that I can speak Polish, you know. Siema.
Siema.
Jak się masz?
Very good.
Bardzo dobrze. Are you play game?
CSGO.
CSGO. Waduh, very good. You playing CSGO, shooting people. Door. You from from Warsaw? Are you from Warsaw?
No.
No. You from where? Krakow.
No.
Krakow, Gdańsk. Siapa lagi sih? Polandia. You like pierogi? Iya, pierogi very good. Pierogi enak.
Pierogi is very.
Why Poland people always say jebać pis gitu? Why?
Yes. Jebać putita.
Jebać pis. You are beautiful. Kamu cantik, cantik dari sedotan. Ya. That's Indonesian song. I'm from Indonesia. BTW, tanya dong, Wah. Ya Pirdole lagi. Jangan ya Pirdole kurva. Jangan, nggak baik. Ya Pirdol sih itu nggak boleh. Don't. Not good, Pak.
Yes.
Gede juga ente. Keberaniannya maksudnya. Randy ya bisa rambutnya begini ya. Lurus banget rambut tuh, Bang.
What's up?
What's up?
You speak English or? Siema?
Nie mówisz po polsku. Nggak bisa. I cannot speak Polish.
Okay, that's no problem for me.
Only greeting like a siema. Apa lagi? Jebać peace gitu.
you know the most how to say, the most important words.
What?
You know the most important words in Polish.
Jebać peace. Yeah, because all the Polish people said that. Jebać peace gitu.
Yeah, because our government is kind of fucked up.
Oh, your government. Yes, maaf, Andrzej Duda.
Yeah, but Andrzej Duda right now with Ukraine it makes some good things, so that's good.
Oh, yeah.
Good
make a good move for Ukraine.
Good movement with Ukraine.
Gitu. Siema, how to say how are you in Polish?
Jak się masz?
Jak się masz? Dobrze, bardzo dobrze gitu. Just like that.
You live in Poland or you just learned?
Just learn in Google Translate, and then I try to pronounce it.
I get it.
Betul. Your English very good, brother. Because not many Polish people can speak English. Lewandowski.
I'm on studies, so
you study
English.
Oh, so you are a student right now?
Yeah, I'm student.
Student in college.
Something like college, but in Poland it's not like college, it's like middle school, something like that.
Middle school? Oh,
yeah, in Poland.
Middle school. Yeah. What's your name, brother?
I'm Romeo.
Romeo. It doesn't sound Polish name. You know.
Because in Polish it sounds Romek or Roman.
Romek.
Yeah, but to other nationalities, I call myself Romeo because it's easier.
Oh, it's easier because the Polish name is very difficult to pronounce, you know. Wojciechny.
Like Książz or something like that.
You know, SZ.
Yeah.
How to pronounce that? Because there is no vocal huruf.
Yeah.
There's no vocal.
Only we speak like that. The Polish language is hard, but I think the Chinese or Japanese more harder.
Yeah, because they have they have their own alphabet. They have their alphabet, you know. And in Poland, bardzo.
Bardzo, yeah. Bardzo means much.
Oh, gitu.
Very much.
Thank you very much. Aduh. Tanyain senang nggak? Are you a streamer?
Nah, I'm not a streamer.
Oh no, so you playing game? No, you got.
Yeah, kinda. But right now, when I'm studying, I just listen to music and speak to people on Omega.
Oh, like, so you don't get bored?
Yeah, kinda. I mean, right now, I'm just trying to speak with people because yesterday I was drinking kinda alcohol and I got hungover.
No, you hangover.
And I need to drink water only.
Iya, drink water. Ya gue juga dah, I drink only juga dah. Minum nih white water, air putih.
Is this kind of drink or just water?
Just water. Because kan I'm Muslim, I don't drink alcohol, you know.
Oh, okay. So you never drink alcohol, or you?
Yeah, because it's prohibited for Muslim to drink.
Okay, I get you. Because like Muslim people are very religious, right? Yeah.
Yeah, majority of the Muslim, because that's that's a prohibition. No, you cannot drink alcohol. You
Like
cannot.
never, or you have some days that okay, this day I can drink.
Oh, yeah, forever you cannot drink alcohol.
Oh wow, that's hard.
Yeah. Maybe for Western people it's very hard.
Yeah, for Polish people when you drink vodka all the time, look.
Iya, are you
I
mau?
have alcohol in my room.
Waduh. Iya, itu nggak boleh tuh. Are you watching MotoGP gak?
Again?
Are you watching MotoGP?
MotoGP. I don't know.
MotoGP, Valentino Rossi, Marc Marquez. You don't
I don't know.
you don't watch motorcycle.
Yeah. I know
Oh,
motorcycles. Right one?
Marquez gitu, Rossi, Valentino Rossi. You don't know Valentino Rossi? Aduh, you don't.
Is this some famous person with bikes or what?
Iya, he is a legendary biker
Oh, okay.
from Italia. Valentino Rossi, Marc Marquez. There is MotoGP in Indonesia and there is no alcohol party, you know. Yeah,
Okay, so he started to drink and he lost his attitude.
Enggak, no. In Indonesia, you cannot drink alcohol in front of public,
Wait a
you know.
minute. My mom is.
Oh iya, oke, iya.
Sing me some.
Singapura. Dia pakai HP.
Sing me some supper.
Cihaborong bagai pada mana membuka hari gitu bang. Itu namanya Vidi Aldiano. Itu kalau 5 minutes ini.
Nice.
Aisyah telah pergi beli LPG, mungkin kompornya mati pas lagi rebus mie. Kapan kau kembali untuk merebus mie. Gitu kalau 5 minutes bang kalau nyanyi. Subscribe.